Okay, in this last video I'm going to talk about some interesting things that happened. I'm going to comment this out first. And this last piece that I did was interesting, and you might find it interesting as you're trying to get your template working. Let's see here. Okay, comment. Right. And comment this out right here. For some reason that's not commenting out. Because of this probably right here. So let me do that. Now it's going to work. Okay. So if I save that and I refresh this window right here, okay, when I styled my menu correctly on the left, I was jazzed about it. I styled this correctly. I spent all this time just kind of hacking away at my CSS, just playing with all of these properties, trying to make it work, right? And just playing, looking up some stuff on the web, trying some different elements here. And then finally I got it to look like this, which is kind of the way I wanted it to look from the HTML version. I was trying to imitate the HTML version. Okay, so I was happy I got that to work. But then you go down here, and here's one of the only, aside from the main menu, the left menu right here, you've got this user login module that's a very Joomla thing, right? And this looks okay. I mean, I thought that looked okay. But then down here it says, forgot your password, forgot your username, create an account. Well, these look like menu links, right? When they're supposed to be just like little kind of hyperlink lines, but they're not supposed to have these like menu boxes in them, kind of like the upper area. So I thought, oh no, what am I going to do? And the reason this is happening is these links were taking on the styling of the link elements for left. You see here that I styled this for the left column, and then I styled this for left links, and then this is for left anchor tag links and left anchor tag visited links. So I told, so Joomla, kind of obeys the commands, and then these little links start looking like the menu items above. So once again, I'm not good at this. I'm not a professional CSSer. So my CSS is kind of hacking. So what I decided to do was I decided to right-click on this element and open aardvark, which will open up the different divs and elements right in the window. And then I right-clicked on this element and said inspect element with Firebug. And when I did that, I started noticing some stuff about this that button, that link, right? I could look here in the style, right? And I could start looking to see like, well, what is this? Where's this working? And when I did that, I noticed that this is part of the form ID, form-login, and it's so it's definitely got like a specific Joomla type of personality. This is the login form, right? And not only that, it's in a module. It's in a module table, right? And so I thought that was interesting. And so I was looking at that, and what I ended up doing was, after playing with it for quite a bit, I came up with this code idea. And the code idea was to make this right here. And I'm going to make it work to show you. And that is, so I said, in this left element, look in div.module table. So we're looking for module table, anchor tag link, comma, left, div module table, anchor tag visited, and then comma, then left element, div.module table, also the link elements. And I put a style in here that would hopefully change these links that were down here at the bottom of the page, these links here, which I want to change, because they're actually part of this module table. They're not part of the module table menu, but they're part of this module table, right? So I thought I want these to look different than the menu. And I saw this done in other templates. So I opened up some other Joomla templates that I've downloaded in the past to compare it. And you can see here I've changed the look completely, right? And changed all these attributes. And when I saved it and refresh the window, I'm going to close Firebug here and refresh the window, you'll see that these links that are supposed to be at the bottom of this user login went back to a way that they're supposed to look. So it was a little bit of a little bit fancier CSS, but it worked quite nicely. And then these left links that I've commented out, I can now get rid of these completely because they were used into the left elements above. And so this is my final CSS, and I'm much happier with it. It's still going to be something that you're going to tinker with, but I think I could package it all up now into my zip file and reinstall it into my Joomla template, uninstall this template, reinstall it, and it's a little more finished. And it's doing kind of what I wanted it to do. All right.